Hello friends, Superfast Study and Experiment welcomes you. In this video we discuss about chain drive speed calculation. Also we understand in chain drive which sprocket is called a driving sprocket and which sprocket is called driven sprocket. Driving and driven, and also we understand the speed calculation with formula and with example. So let us start. Chain drive is a way of transmitting mechanical power from one place to another, or we can say that from one shaft to another shaft. It is often used to convey power to the wheels of a vehicle, particularly bicycles and motorcycles. It is also used in a wide variety of machines besides vehicles. So friends, in chain drive, how to calculate the speed from a driving shaft and driven shaft. So friends, let us first clear the concept of driving and driven sprocket. A sprocket which is directly connected to the power source is called driving sprocket. Driving sprocket may be directly connected to the power source like motor, engine, gearbox output, or maybe any other power output shaft. While the driven sprocket is the sprocket which is connected with the driving sprocket through chain links, and it depends upon the driving sprocket for its rotation. Means the power is transmitted from a driving sprocket to the driven sprocket through chain links. Now let us start the speed calculation. Example, suppose we have a driving sprocket. Here the small sprocket is a driving sprocket which is directly connected to power source, having a speed N1 is equal to 1000 rpm. Means the speed of the driving sprocket is 1000 rpm and number of teeth is 10. And in driven sprocket, the number N2 means the rpm which we have to calculate, and T2 the number of teeth. Number of teeth in driven sprocket is a 20. So friends, these two things we have to know for calculation of a chain drive speed. So from the formula N1T1 is equal to N2T2. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the speed of the driven sprocket, which is N2. N2 is equal to N1T1 upon T2. Now put the values in this formula. N1 is 1000 multiplied by T1, which is 10, number of sprocket in a driving sprocket, upon 20. We get N2 is equal to 500. So friends, this is a very simple formula. With the help of this formula, you can calculate the chain drive speed calculation. Only you have to know about the number of teeth in your sprockets and RPM of the one sprocket. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is even 1% helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. There are a number of such type of videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.